Hello students, welcome to the video. So in today's session, we are going to discuss some basic concepts of arithmetic progression. So this is your chapter 5 in class 10th. So we are going to discuss about, or we are going to understand about the some important and basic concept of this chapter. So what is arithmetic progression? So basically, when we are having a series and in that series we are having a common difference, so that is your arithmetic progression series. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So here see, there is a common difference that is of 1. There is an increment of plus 1, right? Now, what is a plus 1? See, now first term is a1. Second term is denoted by A2, third term is denoted as A3, and then A4, A5, A6, and so on. Now, how to find out the common difference, that is D. Okay, so A2 minus A1, that means second term minus first term. So we can find out the common difference, D, or you can say A3 minus A2. Okay, so difference between the two consecutive terms is your common difference. Now we are going to study about two formulas which are very important in arithmetic progression. So first formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. Okay, so now see what is n here. N is the nth term. For example, if we want to find out the value of A2 and we know the value of A and D, then how can we find it out? In place of n, we will write down 2. A2 is equal to A plus, in place of n again 2 minus 1 into D. So A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 into D will give you D. So A2 is addition of A1 term and common difference. Similarly, you can find out the value of A100 and A8, A3 and so on. So this is the main formula for finding out the term or the value of nth term. Okay. Now comes the second part. Second question. Sorry, second formula. That is sum. If question is asking you to find out the sum of the n terms, then what is the formula for that? Formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this formula is used when you are having the value of a, n and d. That is the first term, the number of terms and the common difference. Then you can easily find out the sum of n terms. If you are having the value of first term and the last term, then what will be the formula? Formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, now what is L here? L is AN. That is the last term. Okay, I hope this formula is clear to everyone, right? So in arithmetic progression, only two formulas are important. Now, what types of questions can be asked from this chapter? So first type can be asked that you have to find out the value of nth an, right? Nth term. If a and d is given to you and question is asking you to find out the value of a8, then you can directly use that formula. Or second type can be asked, see this is the direct question. Second question is some kind of indirect one. If question is saying that the value of a5 or the fifth term is 7 and the term at eighth term is, let's say this is 12. Okay, so now you have to find out the value of a and d. So we know that a5 is nothing but a plus 4d. So we have the equation a plus 4d is equal to 7, and a8 can be written as a plus 7d. So a plus 7d is equal to 12. Now we will use the elimination method. Minus 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 cancel out. 4 minus 3 minus 7, that is minus 3d, and here we will get minus 5. So d is 5 by 3. Okay, d is 5 by 3. Then you can put the value of d in the first term and easily in the first equation and can find out the value of a. So this is the second type. Okay, now comes the third one. Third type can be like that check whether the 301 or any term is lying in the series or not. For example, series is 4 comma 8 comma 12 comma 16 and so on. Then you have to check that whether this term will lie in this series or not. So how can you find it out? An is given to you. Okay, let's say this is 301 is equal to, now what is the formula of an? The formula of an is equal to a plus n minus n minus 1 into d, correct? So 301 is first term is 4 plus n minus 1 into d, d is 4. There is a common difference of 4 now, that's why. So 304, take a transposed 4 from RHS to LHS. So if you subtract it, so here you will get 297 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. Right, now you have to divide it by 4. 297 by 4 is not divided by 4 now, 297. So we will get n in the rational term, right? But terms are always in the integer value, right, in the natural number. So that's why 301 will not lie in this series. So this is your third type, and the fourth type will be question will be asked from the sum one, that you have to find out the sum of these terms, right? Or an is given to you, an is given to you, uh, and d is given to you. Then question is asking you to find out the total number of terms, the value of n, and question is asking you to find out the total means sum of the total number of terms, correct? So this is your fourth type. So guess I have covered all the basic part of this chapter. See in next video, this is the small video now. In next video we are going to do some important questions from this chapter, that is AP. Okay, and then please comment down that what chapter do you want to understand next. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.